Get a feel for the 2023 Acura Integra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. This boldly stylish Integra delivers spirited performance with a premium feel. Powerful, beautifully crafted, versatile, and economical. It adds fun and excitement to every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, fog lamps, premium sound system, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, heated front seat. Get the style and performance you've been looking for in this striking Integra. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.